My name is Brad Hall. I'm very excited about this video because I get a chance to talk about something that I love talking about, and that is socks. I picked up the Adidas Yeezy 350 V2 Static. Really beautiful looking shoe. I love that pattern on the upper. It's got everything you can expect in a 350, the boost, the curves, and one of the coolest parts of it is this. Wasn't sure I'd like it, but it turns out I really love that you can see through this upper there. Really opens it up for a lot of creativity. Now 2018 has been the year of the sock. There have been a bunch of translucent upper shoes, so socks have really come into play this year. I've covered it a couple times, and I'm going to end the year covering it one more time on this shoe. Now let me just show you what a sock does to this shoe. It really transforms it. I'm going to use this bright neon sock just as an example, and you're going to really see it through that window. Let me just get it in here. That looks really cool. I love how it adds a lot to this shoe that already has a lot, and it does make me think, what can I do with that? What looks best? So I did try on a bunch of socks. I went traditional white, traditional black, traditional beige. I tried spicing it up with some stripes, and I liked that look. The way it played with that patterned upper. Just a really interesting combination. And then of course I did try on the neon socks, and I like that too. Now I think all of those are good options, but I'm gonna work on my own sock for this one. I just felt so creative, and I thought back to one of my earlier sock designs that I was toying with. I put that on Instagram a couple months ago and thinking about rolling out this sock in 2019. Now obviously this one, it doesn't take advantage of the 350 static window. I made a little tweak, and I think that's the one that I'm gonna try to make and wear with this shoe. It's rare that a shoe gives you so much freedom to express yourself. So I am excited about that, and I'm gonna keep working on that sock design to get myself small enough to fit into that little window.